All right now we'd like to bring on a good friend of ours. Would you please welcome Miss Bonnie Bramlett.
I'll reach back everywhere. Long ago, so far away, I fell in love with you, but I didn't mean to. Before the second show, your guitar, it sounds so sweet and clean. Yes, it does. But it's just my radio. Oh, no, baby. You're not really here. Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby? I remember I knew something be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 you're my baby, and I love you. Ooh, yes I do. Loneliness is such a sad affair. And I can hardly wait. I can't wait much longer.